Why is it so noisy, Jerry? Why is it so noisy? 1600? 1600? What the hell? Jerry! Did you check the camera before we went? Oh no, I left it on 1600 from last night. Jerry! Why? Did you check the camera before we went this morning? Come back! Come back here! Oh, you naughty girl! Jerry. Oi. Did you check the settings this morning on the camera? Huh? Oi. Huh? You. It was on ISO 1600, Jerry. Why, you cheeky bum. Huh? You had one job, Jerry. One job. Why, you tippy tail. You. You can't get your swaggy waggy tippy tail and get out of this one. Jerry, I know, it was my fault. Yes, it was my fault, Jerry. I know, Jerry, it was my fault. All right. Next time I'll bring you. G'day, how you going? So, little photo walk today was a complete mess because I left it on bloody ISO 1600 during the day, during bright sunlight. So, poor Jerry. It's not Jerry's fault. It's my bloody fault. Always check. The irony is, all day I was racking my brain going, why is the shutter speed so bloody high? Hey, Jerry. Huh? And it was because the ISO was so bloody high. That's why. Yes, it wasn't your fault, Jerry. Yeah, so what happened, I left the ISO on last night at 1600. And then this morning when I went for this photo walk, the shutter speed was like going through the roof. And I just thought to myself, oh, well, it's a really bright day. It just didn't even dawn on me that I should check. The problem with this camera is that, it's not in front of you. Well, it is, but I just didn't check. So not to worry. The side effect of it, which is probably good, is that I got that retro film look because it's complete noise. Some of the shots were all right. It's just that, if you want that film retro look, pump up the ISO to really bad and then you'll get that bloody stupid retro look. Okay, this is Experiment Farm in Harris Park. And there's a bit of a walk here. I've brought Jerry with me. So I've come back the next day after my last week's episode of Harris Park street photography with the Canon Olympus E300. It's a beauty, I tell you. And I thought I'd continue my Harris Park, but this time look at it from the colonial point of view. The Harris Park Heritage Walk. So this is before the Indians turned it into Little India. It was Harris Park Heritage Walk. Yeah, John Harris, and this was his farm. He bought this farm. Oh wow, look at Parramatta's growing, eh? Hey Jerry, you see Parramatta's growing, Jerry. Let's go look at John Harris's farm. It's called Experimental Farm. This was the first farm in Australia. So in Australia, when they landed at Botany Bay in Sydney, they said this land is shit. Let's go find some land where we can plant some tomatoes. And this is where they planted their tomatoes. John Harris, I think it had MacArthur, and I can't remember my Year 6 history.
Governor Arthur Phillips set a challenge for new settlers to come to Parramatta and grow their own food to see if they can sustain themselves in the new colony. In 1789, Australia was one gigantic experiment, and this place was the scene of Australia's first experiment farm.
But yeah, obviously they made it heritage here. It's a beautiful tree, that one. I was just talking to a man over there. That guy over there, he was a beautiful house that he owned, and he said, yeah, he's one of the last kind of California bungalows that are left. Everything is just turned into apartments. Come on, Jerry, let's have a look. But this goes way back further. That would have been the 1930s. This would have been the 1830s. So I've got my 50mm, which is a 25mm 2.8 on the E300. Hey, you get scared of the magpie, Jerry. We'll go chase that magpie. Hey, you get scared. Let's see if you get some different angles. I think someone lives here, Jerry. You gotta be careful, someone lives here. The last bastion of heritage. There you go, Jerry, look. Some big bloody mansion. Jerry, there's bloody Italians and they're building up their stupid mansions. Anyway, Jerry, look, lime. A lime tree, Jerry. You like that? Okay, it hung again. It keeps hanging. So I got to take the battery out and put it back in. So what I did, I took it off sleep mode. I put it on sleep 0, so I'll never go to sleep. Maybe that might fix it. I mean, it still works. So, and like I was saying, the Poirot, I call it the Poirot Agatha Christie mirror. It's one of a kind, I read. There's one other lens, and ironically it's another Olympus camera. It's the Pen F, the original Pen F camera, the film camera that has the same sideways mirror that flips to the side. Instead of flipping up and down, it flips to the side. Hey Jerry, yeah, I did the study. I can only find those two cameras. What I want to do, I want to get old and new. I always like doing that. So I'm going to get that new building over there. You can't miss it. With this old building here, you can miss it. I didn't even know it was here until I did some Wikipediaing. So I knew about the other farm, Elizabeth Farm, but I didn't know about Experimental Farm. There's another one that MacArthur built for his wife called Elizabeth Farm, which is quite famous. I've been in there, I've been inside. They reproduced it, like whatever. It's got like the reproduction of what it looked like inside, and the furniture and the bed, and it just looks like anyone's veranda. Anyway, I'll take a photo anyway, Jerry. Oi, yeah. Hey, you're helping, Jerry, you're helping. You're always helping, Jerry. Hey, you a cheeky girl. Is this the original farm, Jerry, where they put the tomatoes? With the old 50mm, 25mm, you got to let your feet do the walking. I don't want this grass because I don't like it. It just reminds me of suburbia. So I think here, right here, Jerry, little symmetry. What have I got? No. Oh, because I turned it, it's off. Jerry! Hey, Jerry! Bloody mirrorless. I keep thinking it's on because I'm looking through it going, it's on, but it's a bloody mirror. Anyway. Dumbass rookie mistakes. F11. Let's go to 5.6. Too bright for 5.6. And I'm on P mode. Another rookie mistake. Holy underwear. F5.6 is too bright. F11 was right, of course, because P mode. Obviously P mode is smarter than me. Gary, P mode. Program mode. Smarter than me. It's too hot. Bless you. There's a leading path. Gary, look. No good. You got the bridge, Jerry, and the canal. No. Jerry, check out this tree. It's a whopper. Far out. Just be careful, Jerry, hobos. Jerry, so soft grass. It's a soft grass, Jerry. Jerry, you love the soft grass. Yes, you have a good scratch. Just shooting blind. Let's see how they turned out. A bit of potluck. You never know your luck in the big city. Anyway, we've come up to another heritage building here. We'll go have a look, Jerry. Hambledon. Jerry, tourist shot, one for Wiki, one for the Google Maps. There you go, Jerry, one for Google Maps. Oh shit, 4,000 speed. What the hell was I thinking? Remember, Rob, DSLR, you always got to check. That would have been overexposed. Jerry, you be a good girl and you... No, wait. Jerry! Oh, Jerry! You don't understand. Huh? I was going to take a photo of you, Jerry. How about the juxtaposition of that building? Sticking right up. It's another chimney. The skyscraper is the chimney, Jerry. The skyscraper is the new chimney. It's quite peaceful here. That stupid road wasn't there. But you've got, Hampden College. We finally made it into the Hamptons. We're rich. Let's go this way. Jerry, we'll go for a walk through the park. Yes, just taking a walk with the dog. Not trying to take photos, just walking the dog. That's what it's all about. Helps if I turn it on again. Black and white, Jerry. Black and white. I like that one. Let's see which one's better. Bit more blue sky. Yes. The beauty of digital cameras is you can take as many bloody shots as you want. I got an 8 gig card on this. People say it only takes 4 gig, the E300, but I bought an 8 gig. Some said you can even use the 32 gig or even 64 gig, but and it'll only show 32, but I thought 8 gigs enough, and that gives me 1,200 shots. This is an English oak tree. That's what that black and white shot was, an English oak tree. Same as this one. Beautiful. We used to have one in our front yard. It was planted there by the old lady who used to live there in the 1940s. They chopped it down. I was quite pissed off, actually. Look at the size of that. Holy underwear. Jerry, turn it on. I have that little bit sticking out. Autumn, which is about 2 weeks away. This will be nice because I know that oak trees lose their leaves. I've just put the zoom back on because I'm more comfortable with the zoom. There you go. It's got that, I don't know what it is. Is that a church? What's that? There's a bloke on top of a church, Jerry. Shutter speed is flashing at 4,000. I'm gonna have to go to F16. Yeah. See, like some of the older stuff is here.
Hey, you. Scratch. You have a good scratch. Yes, you have a good scratch. Yes, you have a good scratch. All right then. You want to go? You want to go for a walk? Hey, Jerry. Hey, you. Take over. Bless you.